We want to state the amplitude of 15 sine 2x take away 5. Now, if we think about a sine curve, the same is true with the cosine, then the standard curve has an amplitude of 1. That's the distance from the mean line to a maximum, or the same thing here with a minimum. So it's always just going to be equal to this multiplier in front, so that's 15. Now, as far as period is concerned, the period for a standard sine is 360 degrees, or if we're working in radians, 2 pi radians. I'm just looking at the rest of the question down here. It looks like we're working in degrees, so that's what I'm going to work in here. And when you have sine bx, it's always just going to be 360 divided by the value of b, which here is 2. And so it's going to be 360 divided by 2, which is 180 degrees. So let's look at the next part of the question. So the diagram here shows the graph of y equals mod f of x for values between negative 180 and 180, where f of x is a trigonometric function. Write down two possible expressions for the trigonometric function. So that's without the modulus. So without the bounce up. So the curve could continue down this way, and then that branch will look very much like a tan. So I say that's f of x equals tan x. And this one here is a reflection of that one in the x-axis, and so if we carry on with the reflection, that would be f of x is equal to negative tan x, so that would work. State the number of solutions of the equation mod fx equals 1 between negative 180 and 180, or we can just draw y equals 1 on here and count the number of solutions. There are 4 solutions.